Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to Week 2, Volume 5 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great first 3 days of school this week here at Simons Middle School, as you can see from some of the pictures in the connection. And just a few general updates, parents. If you haven't done so already, please make sure that you sign up for our SMS Remind. This will allow you to get text messages from myself and from teachers. It will also allow you to communicate with me and teachers by just simply texting back. So if you haven't done so already, please text at Simons FC to 81010. And also, parents, please save the date. We will be having fall open house, and this will be right before midterm grade reports go home. Fall open house is going to be on September the 14th. It is going to be from 5:30 to 6:30. Just a few upcoming events for this week. On Monday, we have an admin team meeting at 8. On Tuesday, there is a board meeting at Central Office beginning at 6:30. New teacher orientation is also on Tuesday. It will be at the SMS library from 4 to 6. We will have a short faculty meeting on Wednesday beginning at 2:50. Thursday is Fall Picture Day, and Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday. This week, we would like to take a moment to recognize our student spotlight, Ava Bowling. Ava is a Red Jaguar team member and a 7th grader here at SMS. She has been an avid horse lover and has been riding horses for her entire life. Ava started doing barrel racing just 2 years ago and has traveled to horse shows around Kentucky and Ohio this summer. This young lady has shown her pick through 4-H at various shows throughout the summer, and she will travel to the state fair in just a few short weeks. Ava plays volleyball for the Cougars as a 6th grader, and she's also a member of the swim team. This year, Ava has picked up basketball and will play in her season debut on August the 20th here at SMS. So congratulations, Ava. I had the opportunity to witness an incredible act of kindness from Miss Ava this week. And I had watched her sit with a student at lunch who otherwise may not have had someone else to sit with. So it made me incredibly proud of her. And I cannot wait to see the amazing things that she does here at SMS as a Cougar. So, Ava, congratulations and thank you for your kind heart. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.